I'm currently at the Canton Fair and I'm doing some sourcing for goods and just seeing new products that are out in the market. So, look at this view. Now, let's get into I attended the Canton Fair in China, and in this video I will show you everything that you need to know, plus the full China business visa process in just 5 simple steps. Okay, before I can start telling you about the Canton Fair and spilling the tea about acquiring the China business visa, well, welcome back to Mama Coco Vibes, your home of real life, real vibes. Okay, what is the Canton Fair? Well, the Canton Fair is known as China Import and Export Fair. So it is the largest fair in China and one of the biggest in the world. Wow. And it takes place in Guangzhou, China. So it happens twice a year, in April and in October. So I went October last year, 2025. So if you want to go this year in April or October, then you better watch this video. Guys, this was the biggest fair I've ever attended. Like, the crowd, I just couldn't capture everything. We're talking thousands of exhibitors, hundreds of thousands of buyers, products in almost every category you can imagine: electronics, textiles, furniture, machinery, home goods, beauty products, everything. A short side note: this place is massive, so prepare your mind to walk. You are going to walk, so make sure that you put on your walking shoes, wear comfortable clothes, have some water with you, and explore, make friends, connect with manufacturers, and just have fun. This fair is great for entrepreneurs who are importing to Kenya or other African countries because it helps build supplier relationships, and you can meet manufacturers directly, and then you compare prices and you negotiate. You understand the magnitude, right? Now let's talk about how you can get there legally, which is the China visa process. So this is a business trip. You're gonna need the M visa. Step 1, you need an invitation letter. No invitation letter, your visa application may not be accepted. So you go to the official Canton Fair website and register as an overseas buyer. You create an account, you provide your company information, and you fill out all the information needed, and please be honest and consistent. Okay, another means of getting an official invitation letter is by requesting one from a Chinese supplier. So if you do not have a Chinese supplier, just contact me and I'll connect you with mine. Step 2 is the M visa application. So you're gonna go online and apply through the Chinese Visa Application Service Center, and they're gonna provide you the online application form. You're gonna fill it out, and remember to be careful and consistent, guys. So you will need your passport, a valid passport, a passport photo, of course your invitation letter you got earlier on, hotel reservation. I was required to produce hotel reservation, but I wasn't required to produce flight reservation. So remember, my case may be different from your case. And also bank statement, that is 3 to 6 months, and business documents, and a detailed itinerary. The online form has every information that is required from you, so you just go through it and you provide them. Step 3, submit your application form and wait. Now you have carefully filled out the application form, you have attached all the necessary documents, you can submit. After submission, for me, I waited for 7 days. After 7 days, guys, I received an email from them that my visa has been approved. Yeah! So the email had attached my official visa letter, and they instructed me to print out the letter and take to the service center in Nairobi physically with my passport size photo, which will now lead me to step 4, and that is the processing of my M visa. For the processing of the visa, I was instructed to take my approval letter, my passport, and a passport size photo to the service center in Nairobi. So I went there. Imagine, I didn't even have to book an appointment. I was so shocked, like, wow, okay, this is really easy. After I got there, they just asked me a few questions and told me to leave my passport, so they insert my visa in it and then come back for it in 4 days. My goodness, after 4 days I went for it, saw my visa printed in my passport. I was super happy, and they told me to double check my information, make sure that everything is okay, which I did, and it was fine. And now let's go to the final step. Step 5, our final one, is travel preparation and immigration in China. At this stage, you have already booked your flights and you're preparing to travel. Now, before you travel, you have to print out your invitation letter, your hotel booking, your return ticket, your business card, and please download WeChat. I said in the other video, it's very possible your bank's cards may not work in China. Baby, when you get to immigration in China, answer them according to everything that is on your visa and be very confident and professional, and you'll be fine. Here's a quick cost expectation that you have to budget for. That is the invitation letter, the visa fee, flights, of course, hotel, daily expenses, feeding, and etc. etc. Now, my people, you know the process. The next move is yours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.